Budgeting commission income requires careful planning to ensure financial stability and effective allocation of funds. Here's a guide. Determine baseline income. Establish a baseline by calculating your fixed monthly income. This could include a base salary or any guaranteed income. Identify variable income. Determine the variable part of your income, which is the commission. Analyze past performance to estimate the average commission you can expect. Create a variable income budget. Develop a budget that considers both fixed and variable income components. Allocate a percentage of your commission to different expense categories. Emergency fund. Prioritize building and maintaining an emergency fund. This fund can provide financial security during months with lower commission earnings. Set financial goals. Establish short-term and long-term financial goals. Allocate a portion of your commission income towards achieving these goals, such as debt repayment or savings. Allocate for taxes. Set aside a percentage of your commission income for taxes. Consult with a tax professional to determine the appropriate amount. Review and adjust regularly. Regularly review your budget and adjust allocations based on changes in commission income, expenses, or financial goals. Save and invest. Allocate a portion of your commission towards savings and investments. Build wealth over time by consistently contributing to these accounts.